China has quickly become the world's most industrialized country, producing more than $1 trillion in goods for export each year. It is projected that China will soon surpass the United States as the world's largest consumer of energy, as well as becoming the world's leading polluter. This manufacturing boom and a lack of regulatory controls is devastating China's environment and endangering its people. Some Chinese cities have become eerie streets of shadows and movement, where inhabitants cut through billowing smoke clouds wearing masks to protect their lungs. In these cities, the sun is rarely seen. Thousands of industrial smokestacks continue to freely spew waste into the air. At many of China's industrial plants, energy is not harnessed or reused. It's draining the earth as it pollutes the environment. China Energy Recovery has become a key player in the solution to this problem. An international leader in designing, manufacturing, installing, and servicing energy recovery systems that turn reckless polluters into clean, energy-efficient machines. When industrial plants release excess heat into the atmosphere in the form of hot exhaust or high-pressure steam, the majority of the wasted energy can be recovered and converted into usable energy with China Energy Recovery's patented technology. The result? Captured heat and gases are recycled to drive a turbine that produces electricity. The new system produces 2 to 3 times the usable energy from the same fuel. Boasting over 100 recovery installations worldwide, the company's systems are in high demand. From 2006 to 2007, China Energy Recovery's revenues more than doubled from $5.5 million to $11.8 million, a 117% increase year over year. The future is even more robust. As of July 31, 2008, China Energy Recovery had approximately $40 million of signed purchase orders and a significant pipeline of pending orders. The company's unique technology has been recognized beyond China, as the company is now expanding into numerous international markets, reducing harmful emissions, creating reusable clean energy, increasing company profits while improving the environment. China Energy Recovery, solving the world's most critical energy issues today.
If you're interested in today's idea, here are the steps you need to take immediately. Go to my website, otcjournal.com. If you're not a subscriber, input your email address. It's free, and you'll get ongoing updates via email and my daily blog on China Energy Recovery. Also, read my comprehensive report and my disclosure on China Energy Recovery. You'll find an analysis of their technology, you'll find information about their financials, and you'll find a comp that suggests the stock is very undervalued. You need to get your piece of the $20 trillion in wealth that will be created in the next 10 years investing in alternative energy companies by becoming a shareholder. Today, you have the competitive investing advantage because you know about this company before the rest of Wall Street finds out about it. Become a shareholder today and follow it in the OTC Journal.